What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Turbo, currently seeing a 0.0055, up 5% on the day. Market cap 357 million, 24 volume 78 million. So if we hop into the chart, beautiful bounce out of our pullback zone. This double bottom went straight up to the target in a wave 3, and we've seen a deep 4, so we can definitely push up from here. We also have a nice, where's my trend line? Inverse head and shoulders. Here's your left shoulder, here's your head, here's your right shoulder. So once we push up in that wave 5, that will take you up towards that neckline. We break that neckline, and most likely, well, I mean, it's a meme coin, so it can just explode out of nowhere. But once you complete that 5-way move, you see a pullback before continuation. So you may see a fake breakout, and then it will pull back, and then it will break out once again. So if we take a measurement down from the head, obviously this will take a while to play out. We take it to the point of breakout, then that can take our friend Turbo all the way up to 0.012. So we would knock off a 0, which would be extremely exciting for our friend Turbo. And of course, we have our wave 3 target. If we take a trend-based sub-extension off the low here, all the way up to the top of our wave 1 to the bottom of our wave 2, then you can see that wave 3 target takes you right up towards 2 cents. And my juicy bag of Turbo is in profit. I bought it down here and during this ABC correction, so it's just pushing up into profit now. And from the current price, you're looking at about a 240% gain for our friend Turbo. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at. Currently, we are in trades for Ethereum Gala as well as Solana, which has already hit TP1. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. If you sign up through my link, you get 10% back on your fees on every single trade. Once you make your first deposit, just send me an email, and I'll give you completely free access to my Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. We're in 3 trades, as well as Forex signals. We're absolutely crushing it in Forex. I enjoy trading Forex. It's more predictable than crypto is, but I am also giving signals for crypto. Almost 3,000 members in the Discord. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.